Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Paddle Holster is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any firearm enthusiast or professional. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just starting out, finding the right holster can significantly impact your comfort, safety, and speed. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of paddle holsters, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. G19 OWB Holster for Glock 1926 19x 23 32 44 45. This holster is specifically designed for a range of Glock models, including the 19, 26, 19x, 23, 32, 44, and 45. It provides a tailored fit for these popular firearms, ensuring a secure and reliable carry option. Please note that it is not compatible with models that have lasers, lights, or optics attached. The holster features a level 2 retention system with an audible click to let you know the gun is securely locked in place. This design allows for a fast draw when needed, and it also ensures safe reholstering. You can quickly release it with your index finger. The paddle is adjustable and fits belts from 1.5 to 2.0 inches. You can adjust the cant angle up to 360 degrees using the included tool. This allows you to customize the holster for maximum comfort and a perfect fit. It's made from rugged PA66 polymer, which is waterproof and impact resistant. This material is built for daily carry and offers long-lasting durability. The lightweight design ensures it won't weigh you down. This holster is designed for right-handed users. It's ideal for a variety of uses, including range practice, personal carry, and shooting sports. It provides a secure and comfortable way to carry your firearm. What we like. This holster features level 2 retention, ensuring your firearm stays securely in place. The 360-degree adjustable cant allows for customized positioning, making it comfortable for various carry styles. If you prioritize security and adjustability for range use or daily carry, this is the one for you. What people say. This holster fit the Taurus well. It locks and holds the weapon securely. I bought the maul attachment and it's great. Fits snug to the maul and doesn't sag or move around. The holster also came with one that will attach to a belt. Button is super smooth and easy to manipulate and is positioned to when you draw your finger is resting on the side of the FA and not on the trigger. This holster works very well. I do off-duty police work and it locks into my duty belt. It cannot be grabbed and taken from me. Number 4. Safariland 568 BL Paddle for 3-hole holster, black. This flexible paddle is designed to distribute the weight of a fully loaded weapon. It provides a consistent drawing platform that rides close to the body, ensuring comfort and concealment. Made from durable polymer material, this holster attachment is built for long-lasting use. It's designed to withstand the rigors of tactical environments, providing reliable performance. This paddle fits all Safariland holsters with the 3-hole pattern. It's designed for both right and left-hand use, offering versatility for different users. The paddle features an injection-molded QLS-22 receiver. It locks into a Safariland QLS fork for a quick disconnect holster. Please note that the locking fork is sold separately. It includes a self-locking feature that slides under the bottom of the belt. This keeps the holster secure on a belt or strap, providing added peace of mind. What we like. Designed for comfort and concealment, this paddle attachment distributes weight effectively. Made from durable polymer, it's built to last. If you're looking to upgrade your Safariland holster with a secure and comfortable attachment, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The paddle is very secure and the holster stays in place when drawing. The holster fits my Glock 19 perfectly. The retention is great and the draw is smooth. Number 3. Holster Builder OWB Paddle Attachment Kit. Introducing the OWB Paddle Attachment and Hardware Kit from Holster Builder. This kit includes everything you need for a seamless upgrade, providing a secure and comfortable holster attachment. It is designed for long-lasting performance and unwavering reliability. This paddle is engineered to be tough and durable, while maintaining a subtle flexibility. Its construction ensures a snug and cozy fit. You will find it is a great accessory. This design allows you to personalize it to your precise needs. You can create a holster setup tailored specifically to you. It ensures optimal performance and comfort every time you draw. Upgrade your holster game today with this premium paddle. It unlocks a world of durability, comfort, and complete customization. Take your shooting experience to new heights with it. It's time to revolutionize your holster setup. This combines durability, effortless drawing, and endless customization possibilities. Don't settle for less, choose Holster Builder for excellence. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a seamless upgrade to your holster. Its design allows for personalization to fit your exact needs. If you enjoy customizing your gear and want a holster tailored to your preferences, this is the ideal option. What people say. This was the perfect addition to a holster that I wanted a paddle on instead of a belt clip. It's comfortable and rides good. This paddle attachment is great, with convenient and sturdy stability for OWB carry. Comfortable and good retention hooks that aren't too difficult to take off. Number 2. Fobus OWB Paddle Holster for SNWMNP. This holster is designed to reduce printing, thanks to the attached OWB paddle. It sits close to your body, ensuring a discreet carry. The holster paddle features a reinforced rivet attachment and a rubberized insert. This design keeps you comfortable and stable throughout the day. Passive retention automatically engages when reholstering. This feature provides a secure fit, giving you peace of mind. It features a one-piece holster body construction with a protected sight channel. This right-handed holster is both sleek and built to last. This holster is compatible with various models, including Smith & Wesson MNP, MNP 2.0, SD9VE, SD40V, CZP06, and Diamondback DB FS9. It ensures a perfect fit for your firearm. Weighing only 2 ounces, this low-profile paddle holster is designed for right-handed users. It offers a comfortable and discreet carrying experience. What we like. This holster reduces printing and sits close to your body for effective concealment. The rubberized insert ensures comfort and stability throughout the day. If you need a reliable holster for concealed carry with a secure fit, consider this one. What people say. Once you slip this on, as long as you make sure that ridge catches on, you can yank upwards on this holster and you'll just give yourself a wedgie, it won't come out. The holster is low profile. The retention system is fantastic. My firearm fits snugly, providing peace of mind that it won't accidentally shift or come loose. Number 1. Gun holster for multiple pistols. This holster is designed to fit a wide range of full-size and compact pistols. It's compatible with popular models from Glock, Sig Sauer, SNW, and more. This versatile design ensures that it can accommodate your firearm. Featuring a quick release button, it allows for a fast and smooth draw. The auto-locking mechanism ensures your firearm is securely held when holstered. This provides both speed and safety. Customize the fit with adjustable retention settings. There are 3 points of adjustment to fine-tune the holster to your specific firearm and preference. This ensures a secure and comfortable carry. The holster offers a 360-degree adjustable carry angle. Use the included Allen key to easily rotate the paddle to your preferred angle. This allows for comfortable and customized carry options. Made from durable polymer, this holster is built to withstand impact and scratches. It's suitable for various applications, including tactical training, personal defense, and everyday carry. It's a reliable choice for any situation. What we like. This holster fits a wide variety of pistols, offering versatility. The quick release button allows for a smooth and fast draw. If you own multiple firearms and want a holster that can accommodate them with adjustable retention, this is a great choice. What people say. The paddle is very secure and easy to put on and take off. The holster is very comfortable and conceals well. The holster is made of a durable material and should last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.